Pedros, no? Sev, coming from FEU. At yung,
Oo.
again, yung atake, yun yung kulang na kulang nanggagaling sa FEU. Why? Because yung kanilang depensa, kaya nga galit na galit si Coach siya kanina kasi yung depensa nila, very poor, hindi tuloy makaset ng plays. Samantalang ang lalakas naman talaga pumalo ng mga atleta natin galing sa FEU. At ang maganda lang dito, may 2 block points itong FEU and 3 aces.
I think yung aces ng serve.
Giselle.
Ni Giselle C kanina, ano ha? Pero I am in awe of the possibility of the strength of this FEU team. I think they're really a team that's trying to build up for the future. Alam na nila, several generations have passed na. It's time to build a new generation of players.
That is right. And you can see physically, ang laki.
Ang haba, ano?
Oo, ang
Saan nagagaling
haba.
yung Rhea?
Yeah, Palma. Diba? Napakalaki. Si Kasugod, ang laki. Diba? Pag nandun sa harapan. O ngayon nga, eto na. Mukhang ilalagay kanina, nandun si Kasugod sa loob eh. Mayroon mo kung dalawa, si Palma at si Kasugod nandun sa loob ng court.
Saka yung sabi
May
mo,
mga higante.
yung galing America nilang player, ano? Si
Malabanan.
Malabanan.
Jerry Lee.
And Giselle should have a good year trying to feed these players. It's 1-0 Air Force threatening to make this straight set affair. Let's see how fast they can do it or if FE will give a kick and extend this to 4 sets. Let's see. Rhea Di Maculangan, the long-time recent vintage setter of the UST Lady Tigers or the Tigresses.
Balmaceda with that dig. Balmaceda now with 3 digs. Si Agno having 12. Si Agno's been playing really well.
Actually, tumataas ang bola sa kanya.
Yes. And pagdating naman dito sa FEU, Agno with 33% success rate. Itong si Balmaceda with 22.
Alam mo po, yung libero, yung iba ang kulay na uniforme, yung defensive player, hindi ho pwede pumalo, pumunta sa frontline yan, hindi pwedeng...
Actually, pwedeng pumalo, basta wag lalagpas lang yung kamay sa net.
Yep.
Kaya
At saka,
normally, maliliit sila eh. Pag nakita mo yung
Exactly.
libero, bihira ka makakita ng malaking libero.
Bihirang-bihira. Tapos, alam mo, itong libero din, ano to eh, happy childhood ito eh. Tumatambling,
Gulong-gulong.
gumugulong. Sino yung kagayan si Jonella?
Ayan.
Yun.
Naman,
Pero poise yun pag umikot.
Si Jen Reyes.
Yan.
Yan.
At saka itong mga to, these two players, Balmaceda and Agno, I'm not surprised with the stats, is that hindi sila ganun ka-flashy sa mga names na minention natin, but they get the job done actually. Tabla tayo. Dos. Shakies for fun family pizza. It's gotta be Shakies. The serve belongs to Palma.
Well, si Palma now 7 points along with Basas, si Giselle with 4 and si Simborio with 3. On the other side, Cases and Caballejo 7 apiece. So Ortiz with 6 points, De Ramos with 4.
And Micah just added one more. Buti naghiwalay nito si Aiso, si Maeso at saka si Ortiz.
Nalilito ka ba?
Yan ang UST twins ko eh. Pag tumalikod, ano, pag nag-side view.
Twin Tower na totoo.
Oh, that is a roof, if there ever was one. Harang na harang ni Caballero at saka ni De Ramos. Tumawa na rin si Judy. Yan lang umiti yun. 4-2. Ortiz, lakas. Lakas.
Sales out. So, eto naman, hindi naman ang mga scorer natin hindi naman humihiwalay ng todo-todo eh. Nandiyan lang ang FEU palagi, kumakato. Kaya nga siguro feeling ni Coach sa kaya eh. Kaya naman eh.
Tinaas ang bola ni Balmaceda. Bagang serving play. Semana!
Semana going down the line. Eh, bakit naman hindi mo gagamitin as a spiker?
Why not? Rexona antiperspirant deodorant. It won't let you down. And
Pwede.
Wendy girl can fly. Nice brush by Kasugod. Nagkagulo, and I am in awe of the possibilities of Kasugod.
Oh, yes.
And athletic yung
Yup.
figura eh, no?
Mm.
At saka ano, mga ganun ng balika.
Ano eh?
Bubuhat ito.
Mobile.
Oo, at
Agile eh.
Nene Bautista
Agile.
na ano eh, no? Younger version. Nene, so, sinsya ka na dahi, ha? Kay idulok kagid. And Nene, of course, one of our stellar players in the Shakey's Wheeling.
One of the
6'4".
nicest.
Oh.
And FEU 3 blocks so far ang Philippine Air Force with 2. Yan ang nakikita ko maganda rito ng FEU. Ang ganda ng timing rin sa block at hindi sila natatakot mag-block dito sa mga veteranong players ng Air Force.
Yan ang mga utility ng bayan. Oh, well done. De Ramos is playing well defensively. She's not scoring off the spikes, but in her Axel official outfit of the Shaggy's V League, she's doing a good job defensively. That's why she's there. Now that you mentioned it, hindi nga pwede long hair sa military.
Kaya ganyan ang kanilang mga buhok. Si Angela Benting.
Sino nakita natin from Navy kanina? Sumaludo pa tayo.
Si Prochina.
Pero yun, love natin yun eh, di ba? We had one game. We had one game last year and she was best player, remember that?
Yes.
And then the crowd was behind them, although they didn't finish that well, but they gave it their all last year in our open
Iba
conference.
talaga yung dating pag naka-military
Oo.
uniform. Mapababae, mapalalaki.
Yes.
Siguro all the more sa babae.
Yes naman. Ooh, gulong-gulong si Joy Cases. Pero hindi nakuha ang bola. Sends it to 6-7. Si Kasugod ang magsaserve. Sugod Gid. Genevieve Kasugod.
Napakahaba. De Ramos going for that running hit.
Marunong din na gumawa ng putos yung Ali sa ibang paraan. 8-6, umabot tayo sa unang technical timeout. Meron laging dalawa sa bawat set.